Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is the 14th of August 2024, and we're diving into some fascinating stories from the world of technology, artificial intelligence, and automotive innovation. As always, you can find links to all the stories we discuss in the episode notes. Let's get started. First up, we have an intriguing project on GitHub called Granularity by user Stancor. This demo interface is designed to help users better understand lengthy texts through a method known as topic-aware recursive summarization. Essentially, it allows readers to progressively condense the text while keeping the context intact. As you read a paragraph, the interface cleverly identifies related paragraphs on the same topic, ensuring a seamless transition between different levels of detail. It's inspired by similar tools like Nutshell, telescopic text, and hyperscope, all of which aim to enhance text comprehension. What's particularly interesting about this project is its choice of writings, featuring works from notable figures such as Paul Graham, Sam Altman, and Nikola Tesla. Despite its potential, the repository currently has just 1 star and no forks, suggesting that while there's some early interest, engagement is still limited. The primary programming languages used in this project are Svelte, TypeScript, and JavaScript. If you're curious to try it out, you can access the demo interface at granularity.vercel.app. This project is a promising step towards improving the reading experience by allowing users to control the granularity of the information they consume. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Remember, you can find links to all the topics we covered in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of technology and innovation. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.